Let's start the chapter number 4, the rescue plan. What is the meaning of rescue? Rescue means to save someone from the difficult situation. In this chapter, we will read how Mr. Passepartout, Mr. Fogg, and Cromarty, the young Indian guide, how to make a plan to save Ada from that difficult situation. The four men hid in some bushes in the forest, watching the line of men take order inside an old temple. Several guards stayed outside the entrance doors. The four men, Mr. Fogg, Passepartout, Mr. Cromarty, and young guide, they hid in some bushes and watching. What they are watching? They are watching many men take order inside the temple, and already several guards are in the present at the entrance door. Well, we can't get in that way, said Cromarty with a sigh. Cromarty took a deep breath because there are very strictness here in the temple. There are very strictness near the order. That time Cromarty with the sadness, he said that, well, we can't get in that way. It's not possible to get in here. Fogg and his friends carefully made their way round to the back. Where there were no guards, the young guide had an idea. Fogg and his friends, what they have done, they went to the back of the temple where there were no guards. That time, the young guide had an idea. An idea that time struck into his mind. What was that idea? He said, we can make a hole in the temple wall and get in that way. The walls are made of brick and wood. If we take out of one brick, the rest will come out easily. When they went to the back side of the temple, and young guide said that we can make a hole in the temple wall because that wall was made by brick and wood. He said, if we take out one brick, then others will automatically come out easily. So they started their progress. They were making good progress. When they heard someone shouting from inside the temple, soon there were more voices, and then footsteps of men rushing out and approaching them. Quick, we must get out of here, whispered Fogg, and they ran like the wind into the forest. As he ran, Passepartout looked back for a moment. He saw the temple guards looking at the hole in the wall. When they were making a hole in the wall, that time some guards approaching there, reached there. What they saw? They saw a hole making in the wall. That time 4 persons ran from that place very fastly like the wind. When they were running to the forest, Passepartout looked back for a moment. Passepartout saw temple guards had looked that hole which they were making in the wall of the temple. Later that night, the men sat in the forest, unhappy because Ada was still prisoner. It is hopeless, said Cromarty. We can't save her now. Stop. We don't have to be in Allahabad until noon tomorrow, Fogg replied. But what can you hope to do? Another chance may appear even at the last moment. Let's rest for now. Passepartout could not sleep. He lay awake all night, thinking of plan to rescue Ada. Here, later that night, what happened? They are all, 4 persons are unhappy because they are thinking about Ada. They were thinking that Ada was still prisoner. Cromarty said that it is very difficult. It is hopeless. We can't save that girl. Stop. We don't have to be in Allahabad until noon tomorrow, Fogg replied. Fogg said that now it is not safe for us to stay here. But what can you hope to do? That time, another chance may appear even at the last moment. Let's rest for now. They said sometimes in the last moment another chance appeared to tackle the difficult situation. When the 3 persons are taking rest, Passepartout could not sleep. He was restless. He lay awake all night, and the whole night he was thinking to make a plan to save Ada. He was very upset that time.